All right, guys. According to UAE regarding 5 years tourist visa, they explain it, they narrate it step by step how you can achieve 5 years tourist visa. Yeah, it's 5 years tourist visa. So I'm going to take you through the requirement and everything you need. So guys, please just stay connected with me and watch this video to the end. Now, UAE regarding 5 years tourist visa, they explain it, and you can stay up to 180 days in a year, 180 days to in a year, according to the General Directorate of Identity and Foreigners Affairs, GDRFA, Dubai. They classified the requirement for this UAE 5 years and multiple entry, tourist visa, which allow visitors, of all nationalities to enter the country multiple times without any need for a sponsor, or host. You see, the self-sponsor visa is valid just for 5 years, just like I said, and permits multiple entries and exits anytime, during the period. The visitor can stay in the UAE for up to 90 days on each visit, with options of extend their stay or further 90 days. However, the total period spent in the country must not exceed 180 days, 90 days to 180 days. Now, let me just give you the eligibility requirements. The applicants must submit a valid passport with at least 6 months validity, 6 months validity, a recent personal photograph, and proof of valid health insurance, a round-trip ticket, and back statement covering previous 6 months. That means it must cover up to 6 months. You understand? 6 months back statement. Then how are we going to apply? The application can be submitted through UAE official digital platform and smart application, which are available around the clock. Applicants may also complete the process through customer happiness centers. You can go out and do it, or you can also do it on UAE applications, happiness centers and AMA services centers. All right, so the application process include selecting the required services, completing the application form, uploading the supporting documents, paying the applicable fee. So what are the fees? The total application cost 3,713. The amount you are going to pay for this is 3,714. This including visa fee, service charge, and a refundable financial guarantee. Final cost may vary depending on individual circumstances and any additional requirement. Now, these are the key features. It's available for all nationalities. No sponsor or host required. Validity is 5 years. Give you multiple entry and throughout your visa validity period, stay up to 90 days per visit. You understand? That means 3 months per visit. Then extendable for additional 90 days. You can also, if you stay for 90 days and you want more days or month, you can also extend for additional 90 days. The maximum stay is 180. Do you understand? When you add 90 plus 9, give you 980. So the minimum bank balance, your account balance must be $4,000. You understand? Or equivalent in your country currency. All you have to do is show them the proof, and or in the next 6 months, like 6 months account period. The 5 year multiple entry tourist visa strength Dubai position as a preferred global destination, enhance visitor experience and boost the tourism sector, contributing to the economy. It is expected to attract more tourists, encourage multiple visits, and support sustained growth in the travel and hospitality industry. That's exactly what UAE are doing. Truly, UAE still wants more people to enjoy, coming to UAE so that they'll be able to, boost their economy. Anyway, guys, if you find this video useful, please kindly follow me or subscribe to this channel, and also whatever you feel, put in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video. Until I come sharing an update like this, I still remain your man, MC Bobby. See you in another video. Clock it. Bye for now.